Hi there, Roberto here with Top 1 Marketing again with another Builderall tutorial video. And I'm excited because I get to show you today how to create a viral marketing funnel in Builderall. So without further ado, let's get into this. So first thing that I want to show you is I want to show you the actual funnel, right? And so what we're doing here is it is a referral marketing funnel, otherwise known as a viral marketing funnel. A referral funnel definitely has the potential to go viral. Um, Not all referral marketing funnels will go viral. There are several factors, several determining factors that come into play in order to get something to go viral. But nevertheless, referral marketing always has the potential to go viral. And the idea is to get somebody excited enough about your product that they are going to share it to their family, their friends, and even on social media. And so, as you see here, I have a funnel where I'm giving away an exclusive ebook, which costs some money. In this case, I got it on this page as $7.99, but then it's crossed out for free. And then the way that they get it for free is if they share it with 3 other people, they can unlock their copy now. Then the page says sign up above, wait, and follow the instructions on the next page. If you don't get instructions automatically after the registration, then check your email for a confirmation email. And there's a little description of what the ebook is about. Okay. And so I'm going to show you the process here of a viral marketing funnel. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with that email right there. And so when they register, that's why the page said wait, register and wait for further instructions. So I waited. Now here's my further instructions. Just one more step to go. Please open the welcome email from support@biblicalguys.com that we sent you and click on the confirmation link. So right here, what we're doing is we are waiting on the email to come. Okay, so here's the email right here. It says, please confirm your subscription, right? And so here's the email, the confirmation email. This will be structured better than this. It should be, a nice, warm, welcoming email. But for the sake of simplicity and viewer friendliness, we just made it short. So they click here. When they click here, they are sent to their referral page. And so here it is right here. There should be a video here, and even on the landing page or the squeeze page, should be a video. Video always has a great return on investment. So right here it says, thank you for signing up in our giveaway. It says, share with 3 others to unlock your copy now. Bookmark this page so that you will always be able to track your progress and have access to your share link here. So they can copy their link right here, or they can share directly on any of their social media platforms that they choose to use here. And then right here is the magic number right here. They can keep up with their progress right here. It says you will receive your e-guide to your email once you achieve 3 registrants total. All right. And so I copied this share link. We're going to go to a new tab, and we're going to go to that share link. Now you can see here we're back on the landing page. Okay, but this landing page is coded. This landing page is coded to this user right here, this email user right here. Okay, and so they go around and they share this. Now, let's say somebody lands on the page and they register. Boom, same thing, okay? Now I want to show you real quick before I go to that email. Here is the list for the marketing, viral marketing funnel. You can see right here, when I refresh the page, here are the emails that just got registered right here on the bottom, right? One is confirmed. If you noticed, one confirmed, this email right here was the one I confirmed and then I shared. And then this person right here signed up to the thing, right? Now let me show you real quick. Here is this person's share page. When I refresh the page, right, it's still at 0. But that is because this person that signed up right here, they have to confirm themselves. So here is right here, please confirm your subscription. Here's the email, right? And they click on it. And you'll see, boom, here is this person's registration page. Okay? And now when we go to this page right here and we refresh it, you'll notice that, boom, here is one person that has registered by way of this link right here. All right. And then this person right here, the second one that I signed up, this is their page right here. All right. Now you'll see in the list, you're gonna see something. Boom, right here. Okay. Now because Roberto Quinones signed somebody up through their share page, they were automatically boosted to first place, and they have 1 referral. Okay, so now let's go back to, let's copy Roberto's link again and go to it. Let's enter a different email. So this is, guys, this is the second person. This is the second person that's going to sign up to Roberto's link, okay? Register. All right, so this is a different one. All right. So as you can see, let's go to that email address real quick. Right there. Please confirm your subscription. Click there. And they are confirmed. Now they have a share link. Okay. So once we go, let's refresh this page right here. Boom, 2 people, right? And so the idea is, and once they come back to this page, they see, oh yeah, 1 person, 2 people, that will, kind of excite them and incentivize them to go and share their link even more. And then once they reach their 3rd registrant, then we send them their ebook. It's as simple as that. And this is a great way to grow whatever it is that you're doing. It could be just a product or it can be a business. Whatever it is, this is one of the best ways for you to grow whatever you are doing through a viral marketing funnel. So let's go right here real quick before I close out. Right, let's refresh this page. So you see here, you see that he has 2 referrals, and then you see that the two registrants down here, and then once they get registrants, they'll be moved up, the ranks as well. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful. If you guys are interested to know how you can get this done, get this viral marketing funnel done for your product, for your idea, for your business, then you need to watch the next video that's coming right after this. There's a card up top, or you can go to the playlist, the Builderall viral marketing funnel playlist, and you can see part 2 where we will show you and walk you through how you can set up this viral marketing funnel. If you liked this video, if it was helpful, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a share, subscribe to our channel so that next time we come up with one of these awesome videos, you will get notified. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.